Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at lesson 2 of module 18, which is all about solving customary and metric conversion problems. Hopefully by the end of the lesson you can be able to solve problems involving conversions within the same system of measurement. So we look at the step it out. It says, Mike observes and measures the distance of a flea jumps in a straight line. The flea jumps at the same distance 8 consecutive times. How many centimeters does the flea jump? So it says find the total distance of flea jumps. So it says write an expression to find the total number of millimeters of flea jumps. Well, if it is jumping 8 times, we would do 8 times 150. So it says find the number of millimeters of flea jumps. So we have to do that multiplication. So we're going to do 150 times 8. So we're going to do 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 is 12. So we get 1200 millimeters or 1200. Then it says convert the number of millimeters to a number of centimeters. Write an equation that relates millimeters and centimeters. Well, there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So we are going from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So our conversion would be 1200 divided by 10. And we know that when we divide by 10, we can just move our decimal point over. So we're going to have 120 centimeters. Okay, so Mike fills the aquarium using a 1-pint bottle. How many times will he need to fill the bottle in order to completely fill the aquarium? Describe how to find the number of pints the aquarium holds. Well, we're going to convert gallons to pints. So we're going to go large to small because gallons are larger than pints. So this is complete the table to show the equivalent measures. Well, so we have 1 gallon. There are 4 quarts in a gallon. And there are 2 pints in each quart, which means that there would be 8 pints. And then there are 2 cups in each pint, so that would be 16 cups. So how do you convert a number of gallons to a number of pints and explain how you know? Well, you're going to multiply the number of gallons by 8. There are 8 pints in a gallon, and we are going from a larger unit to a smaller unit. So this is write an equation to show how many pints there are in 15 gallons. So we're going to do 15 times 8. So we can do that off to the side if we don't know. So it'd be 40 and then 12. It's going to equal 120. So it's how many times will Mike need to fill the bottle in order to completely fill the aquarium? I'm going to do that 120 times. So that is all for today's lesson. Hopefully you're now able to solve problems involving conversions within the same system of measurement. And remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.